Welcome everyone, today we're drawing a cute cartoon banana. Let's start today's lesson in the center of the page and draw two circles for the eyes. Let's start with the one on the left. Starting from the very top, come all the way around towards the bottom, and then back up. Let's leave a gap in between the eyes and draw that same size circle on the right. So line up the top, come down towards the same height, and then back up. Now on the top left side of each eye, draw a smaller circle for a highlight. Let's add a smaller circle along the bottom right. And I'll fill the inside of the eyes in black. Now along the bottom in the center, let's add a curve for the mouth. We're going to come down and then up. Let's round out the mouth. Coming around and then in. And then we'll round out the bottom of the mouth. And then in the center, draw a straight line. Let's move to the outside left eye. I'm just going to curve the head, coming down and then across towards the right. Let's round this out. Come in and then up beside the right eye. I'm just going to peel open the banana, going up and then out. Let's round out the tip, come in and then down inside the left eye. Now we're going to peel open the left side. We're going to go up and then out. Let's round this out, come up. Now I'm just going to tuck this in behind the right. Now let's go down towards the bottom. I'm just going to add that nub with a small curve. Let's add two more peels along the back, starting on the left. And it's up, and then out. And the same thing on the right. Round out the tip, just tuck that back in along the side. Now I want to follow this curve up above. Let's follow this curve above the peel, and go up and then over towards the right side. Let's round out the tip. I'm just going to bring this down towards the right. Let's sign our art and add a splash of color, and there's a cute cartoon drawing of a banana. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.